Welcome to Custom Thread Art. We're going to teach you how to order prints online. So you're going to go to our website. It's www.customthreadart.com. Click Services and Heat Transfers. You'll see Sub, HTV, DTF. You can also order decals through us, but you'll see gang sheets and individual transfers. Click on individual transfers and you get all of our standard sizings for individual transfers. Or we'll go back and you can select a gang sheet, which is done by dimension. So we have 22 by 12 up to 22 by 120. So we're going to add one to the cart and hit checkout now. So you can select as many gang sheets as you need of that size and hit checkout. And we're going to fill out our information. Name, company name if you have a small business or anything, and then address. And phone number. And then we're going to scroll down here and insert an email address and create an account. You'll be able to go back to this account next time by logging in instead of creating an account each time. You'll just log into your current account. And in order notes, we'll put a brief description of what we plan on uploading into our gang sheet. Oops. Missed the country, and when you do the country, it's going to also erase the state, so make sure you do both of those at the same time if you missed that like I did. So continue to shipping, and don't know what that is, get rid of it, and then we'll select free local pickup. On the next screen, we're going to enter our credit card information and hit submit order. Okay, so when you're on this, it's going to show you your receipt. You can print it. You'll want to do that so you can keep your order number. And then you can click the item and it'll take you back to that item, and you'll click upload art. So we have one in here. We're going to upload files. And it's not going to show you the screen, but I'm selecting my files right now. And then you can click an item. Okay, we're downloading. You can click an item to bring it to your canvas over here, and you can zoom in and out with the on the right hand side. So you can click it and it'll come in to the canvas. You see all this extra space around. We're going to click trim transparent space, otherwise it measures that transparent space instead of just your image. So now that that box is right along the edge of the design, because we trimmed the transparent space, that is how it will be measured. So we can change it by using this and hitting change. Or we can size it with the arrows around the box. And you can see at the top and the bottom the dimensions of the design. And they change if you drag. In the corner, it maintains proportions. If you use the top or the bottom, it will distort it to the proportions that you want. So you can also drag and drop into the screen. Remove this. Okay, so you can see there's a tiny bit of space around this one. The replace button, you can click on another image and hit done, and it'll replace it with another image. We're going to undo that though. So remove all white. It removes all of the white in the design. So the wheels, anything that was white or near white, like they were gray, it's close enough, so it's going to remove them. If we're going to trim the transparent space again on this one. It trimmed it up a little bit. There's only a little bit. So now we can size this. It looks like we might could fit another one in here if we size this a little bit. So if you zoom out, you can't see that arrow, but when you zoom in, you can see the bottom arrow that for most of the images. So up here you can duplicate an item. You can also flip horizontal, vertical, or rotate counterclockwise or clockwise. So we're going to size this down a little bit. To where we could get 2 of them on there. You can also rotate these or rotate any designs just to make room. However you can make them Tetris in here to fit like little puzzle pieces. But just make sure that nothing overlaps and nothing goes outside the purple boundary box. That's your safety margin for printing. So when it looks like you're all done, you can hit confirm in the upper right hand corner. And it shows you your designs. So you can add a new design if you had selected that you wanted 3 gang sheets and start a new gang sheet that's the same size. But since we didn't, we're just going to back out of here and remove that. But that is where you would add a new design if you had selected multiple gang sheets of the same size. Enter your name, email address, and in the additional information box, we're going to enter our order number. And I'm just going to look up my order number real quick. Use on another screen. Okay, so I'm going to write email address and my order number. Oops, I think it's 176. Okay, and just a little brief description. You can do Azle Hornets Truck and Love, or you can just do Azle Hornets Gang Sheet. Just a general idea so we make sure we're getting the same thing, but that order number is the most important part. Then we're going to confirm design and you are done.